This video walks you through to reset the camera settings on your Samsung phone. If your camera isn't working as expected or you've changed too many options, resetting the settings can quickly restore everything to default. Start by unlocking your Samsung phone and opening the camera app. Once the camera is open, look for the settings icon, which appears as a small gear in the top left corner of the screen. Then tap it to open the camera settings menu. If you're using a newer version of Samsung software, such as One UI 7, you may not see the gear icon immediately. In that case, tap the Quick Controls button, represented by 4 dots, to reveal additional camera options. From there, select the gear icon to access the settings page. Inside the camera settings menu, you'll find a wide range of options for photos, videos, HDR, grid lines, watermark, scene optimization, shooting methods, and more. If you've changed several settings and want to return everything to its original state, you don't need to adjust each option manually. Simply scroll all the way to the bottom of the settings page until you find the Reset Settings option. Tap Reset Settings, and a confirmation message will appear explaining that all camera settings will be restored to their default values. This reset only affects your camera preferences. It won't delete any of your photos, videos, or other personal files stored on your device. To continue, tap Reset once again to confirm your choice. Within a few seconds, all camera settings will return to Samsung's default configuration. This is a great troubleshooting step if you're experiencing camera issues caused by incorrect settings or if you simply want to start fresh with the default camera setup. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.